Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to delete our Twitter account. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up X application and here tap on profile icon that is located on top left corner, and here on bottom you can see settings and support. Tap on it. Again, settings and privacy. Next, tap on your account. Here go to deactivate your account. So this is why we are doing is after 30 days it will delete your account permanently, but if you want to recover it, then before 30 days you can recover your account. So tap on deactivate and here enter your password and then tap on deactivate. So in this way you can delete your account from X application. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.